And during the massage, I felt a little calmness over being in his body. And right on after the massage, I asked him how is it, and he said, pain is gone. I could feel the trauma get away from me. So, from the mental emotional point of view, the release of this trauma helped him release the pain associated with this trauma. I studied EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. I used it several times before. I don't normally use it now. But on occasion I use it. I know it works. It worked very well. We were able to take away some phobias from people. And so the state of mind, the mental belief that this guy experienced during my massage got him into an alignment with his true self, and pain disappeared. That's the mental emotional aspect. I see some of my clients also at the rehabilitation clinic at Brampton, where I do practice my therapeutic massage, relaxation massage. People who are disturbed are sometimes not easy to receive the relief that is usually they get from massage, whether it's from me or from other people, right? So, in order to make a person receive the benefits of treatments or being able to get his body to heal himself, he should have, or he should have a mental state where he could get rid of the negatives, the stress that we are calling, the stress that is causing him pain. 80% of sickness and disease is claimed to be due to stress. Nowadays, not before, nowadays. So, that's one area where I want to be of assistance to my clients. I become a member of an organization, we call it the Global Information Network. And I believe that training is really something that could get your mindset into a higher state of mind, that you could wish yourself and command yourself to be well, to be happy, to be affluent, successful in your chosen career. But that's another point. This video is not for that, okay? This video is to tell you how I could be of help to you in the event you would like to explore the possibility of getting my services to help you, okay? So, now, how did I get this state of mind that I have now? It's still related to the state of mind wherein you expect miracles to happen, where you expect healing to happen, when you lay hands on persons, good vibrations go in, come in. So, how did I get this? Let me share with you. When I was young, I think I was in elementary or something like that. My mom, very spiritual person, bless her soul, told me about one secret that she found during her research on healing and prayer. And he said to me, Lito, if you will pray one Hail Mary, one Our Father, and one I believe for 20 years, you will not be involved in any major accident. And so, me being naive and trusting my mother to know what is saying, did this for more than 20, I think 20